Welcome back, my dear students. Today I am here to teach you mathematics class 1, and in this video I will teach you start your new portion of your maths book, chapter 5, addition and subtraction up to 20. For your reference, please open your book, page number 63. So my dear students, please open your book, maths book, page number 63. Here instruction given that subtracting on the number line. And here we have to do the subtract using the number line. So I know some of you already know about the number line because before chapters we already do the using the number line doing the addition, but here we have to do the subtraction using the number line. So for your better understanding, I give you some examples. First one example is 12 minus 6, and we have to search the number what we get the answer, which number we get in the answer. So before when we want to get the answer, that time we have to do the subtraction but using the number line. So here we start from 12 because first number is 12 and we have to minus 12 from 12 to 6. So from 12 we have to start, that is 1. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. Next 5. Then after 6. So 12 minus 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. For your better understanding, I will one other example, that is this one, 18 minus 6. So now we have to do some board work. We have to do now from 18 minus 6. So we have to subtract from 18 minus 6. So we have to start the number line from 18. That is 18. Next 17. 1. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. So which one number we get? 12. Yes, 12 is the correct answer. So we have to write here 12. For next chapter, please open your book, page number 64. Here we have to do subtracting by counting backward. You know what is the counting forward? Like that we have to do something small difference is there in counting backward. I tell you how you do this. That is, for example, I tell you first one you see 11 minus 2. So we have to go before 11, from 11 to before 2 numbers, because here written that minus 2. So 11 before 10, then before 9. So 11 minus 2 equal to 9. Next one you see 13 minus 4. So I tell you that we have to go before. Then 13 before, that is 12. Then 12 before 11. 11 before 10. 10 before 9. So 13 minus 4 equal to 9. Now we have to go next portion, that is more subtraction. Here is instruction given that please open the page number 65. Here is instruction given that subtract and write the numbers as shown. So we have to do the subtract and write the numbers. So here first one, that is 12 minus 0. Now we have to do some board work. So here I will write these numbers from book example here for your better understanding. So my dear students, you have to see that 12 minus 0. So you know that it is ones place and it is tens place. So when we do subtraction, whatever, or additions, that time we have to start from the ones place. First we have to start from ones place, then after tens place. Okay? So now I will start from here, that is ones place. What number we have? 2 and 0. You know that 0 means nothing. That means we have to do the subtract here, this side. So 2 minus 0, that means we have to write 2 only. Because 0 is in a no number and not value of the number 0. So now we have to go the tens place, and tens place we have only 1. And here no numbers is there. So nothing we have to do, only which one number is there we have to write here, that is 1. So we have to write 12. 1. So the answer is 12. So I will give you one another example. That is, first one number is 19 and next one number is 3. We have to do the subtract from 19 to 3. So I tell you before some time also, that is, and you know that first we have to do the ones place side. So ones place side, first one number we have 9 and next one number we have 3. So we have to count after 3 to 9. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rooms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. So we have to write here 6. And now we have to do the tens side, tens place. Here only 1 is there and no numbers here. So we have to write which number is there, that one only we have to write. So 1 is there, we have to write here 1 only. So answer we will get that is 16. My dear students, please open your book, page number 66. Here written that subtract and match by making circles of correct colors as shown. Here we have to use some colors and we have to do subtract, and then after we have to do the match also. So first we have to do the first one, that is, first one number is 11, next one number is 12 and another one number is 13. We have to do subtract from these 3 numbers and minus 2. From these numbers minus 2. And which one numbers answers we get, that one answer we have to match. So when we do this side, that time we need these 3 colors. Because of fill these colors of circles, okay. So first one number is 11. And 11 minus 2, which number we get? 11 minus, from 11 to 2, that is 11. Before here we have to do the backward counting. For easy method, you have to use backward counting. That 11 minus 2, that is before 11 10, then before 9. So the answer is this one. So we have to put here blue color, like this only. Okay, my dear students. Next one number is 12. So 12 minus 2 we have to do. Then also, now also we have to do the backward counting. So 12 before 1, that is 11. Then before 1, that is 10. So where is 10? Yes, here is 10. So we have to put these two sides with red color. My dear students, please nicely put the colors and neat and clean your book page. Next one number is 13. And here also we have to minus 2 and using the backward counting. That is 13 before 1, 12. Then before 1, 11. So where is 11? Here. It is 11. So these two sides we have to put the green color. Like this you have to put the green color. Another one example I will give you this one. Okay. First one number is 14. Next one number is 16. And last one number is 15. These three numbers we have to subtract from these three numbers minus 4. And which numbers we get the answers, we have to do here the circles and put the colors like the first one examples. So first we do this number 14 minus 4. So here also we have to use the backward counting. That is 14 before 1, 13. 13 before 1, 12. 12 before 1, 11. 11 before 1, 10. So you count that 1, 2, 3, 4. I will do 4 numbers before counting. So we get 10. So we have to circle tens place. So we have to do the 14 and 10 same color, that is blue. Like this only. Next one example, next one number is 16. So 16 minus 4, here also we have to do the backward counting. That is 16 before 1, 15. 15 before 1, 14. 14 before 1, 13. 13 before 1, 12. So where is 12? Here is 12. Yes, so we have to put these two sides with red color. Okay, my dear students. So next one number is 15. We have to do 15 minus 4. So here also we have to use the backward counting. That is 15 before 1, 14. 14 before 1, 13. 13 before 1, 12. 12 before 1, 11. Where is 11? Here. So we have to put these two sides with green color. Hope, my dear students, you will all of you understood this today's class. If you have any difficulties or any doubts, you will contact with me in your class WhatsApp group. And then also, if you have any queries, you underline these problems, and after opening the school, you will meet me. I will definitely clear your doubts. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Keep learning.